You want to know how you can unlock your door using just your fingerprint? Let me show you how. Hey guys, it's me, Richmond of Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. Probably you have been intrigued of how I open my door using just my fingerprint. But before that, let me show you how this was installed. And if you haven't watched my full unboxing, check it here. So in this video, I'll be walking you through step by step on how to set this up, from beginning from the card, the key, the fingerprint, and of course using just simply the numpad over here. And there's another one, a remote, but isn't really included here in this package. So guys, right now you're looking at the final product of the Homesecure Digital Lock Apollo. So we can see that it's fully installed already here on my door. So before anything else, let me show you how this one's installed. So as you can see that this one, it comes with a free installation from the Homesecure team. So rest assured that it's being installed properly and with care. Probably the first thing that you'll ask me is that how do I open this one in case it ran out of battery? There's two things that you need. One is this lockpick, and the other one is, of course, the manual key. You'll be using this lockpick and pick the back. Okay, so once you pop it, you see that this one, the base is removed. So right now, I'll be using my key to open this one. Okay, so this is the key. I need to insert it here, then twist like any other normal door. So that's probably one of the safety that you need to remember in case you got locked out and this one ran out of battery. And now here is the fun part, how to set this up. So right now we need to download the app called TT Lock. Either get it from Google Play Store or from the Apple App Store. So this is how it looks like. So mine's already installed, so we just simply need to open. So all you need to do is just, of course, sync it, just search. It's very easy. So right now, I already installed it and of course paired it together with my Lock Apollo. And next thing is to, of course, set everything up. Haven't really set it up yet. As you can see, there's a lot of things you can do here. One of the first things that you can do is to touch to unlock. Okay. So you can see that the door has unlocked. Once your mobile phone is near, you can use this one to unlock. That's method number one. Second, you can use the e-keys. Okay, so you can send an e-key to whoever recipient, phone number or email. You just need to punch everything here from what time to what time. I think this one is a good investment if you are lending your condo out like Airbnb. So you can set from what day to what day, what time to what time. So that's a very, very useful. So all they need to do is just simply use their mobile phone and just unlock. Of course, you send your e-key to another TT Lock app. So you can use time, permanent, one time, or recurring. So it's up to you. You can generate passcodes. Okay? So you can generate passcode like this. Okay? So it's a permanent passcode. So all I need to do is just remember this code. Then let me try. Okay, so right now we're going to use this permanent passcode that I generated to unlock this door. So first thing is, of course, to wake this one keypad up. Then use the code 761. Okay, okay, let's just try it again. So let's try it again. To end it, use the number sign, and you see it's already unlocked. Okay, next is to how to set up your NFC tag. So I have three here. So it's come together with the default package. So I have three NFC tags over here. So right now, all you need to do is just simply add card. Okay, just put a name, whatever name you want. Okay. So what you need to do is to tap it at the middle of the keypad. Okay. So okay, it'll say it's successful. Okay, operation is successful. So right now, let's just simply try to unlock. So, so I'll use the tag. Okay, so it has unlocked. Let's try it again. Let's try. Okay, so that's how easy it is to use an NFC tag. The next one is probably one of my favorite, fingerprint. So you can see the fingerprint scanners over here, just like any fingerprint on the phone. So all you need to do is just simply add fingerprint over here. Okay, so just put your fingerprint name. Simply put any name. Okay, so it will tell you how to install. Start. Okay. So okay, so it's already successful. It has installed my fingerprint. So let's try. Let's try it again. So probably the most easiest one to use is definitely your fingerprint. There's another method here which comes with a remote, but unfortunately this package doesn't comes with a remote. It looks like a car remote over here. All you need to do is just simply press unlock and lock like just any car. But well, it's a little bit hassle to carry over a remote like this. You can authorize any admin e-key over here to your family members. You can browse through all of the activities, what's happening to your lock over here, which is very cool. And there's a whole lot of other settings that you can do here with this one. So a wireless keypad, door sensor, remote unlock, auto lock, everything you can calibrate here according to what you need. So guys, I've already shown you step by step on how to install this one, from the key, from the passcode, using the NFC tag, or even just using your SIM fingerprint. So if you want to know where you can buy this one, the Homesecure Apollo Digital Security Lock, I'll be posting the link on the description box below. Just check it out. And if you haven't watched my full unboxing yet, link over here. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads here on my channel. And so I'm Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick.